client of mine, and we are going to create some beautiful layers, long shag to complement the contour of her skull, and starting from the top all the way to the nape and to her shoulder, and creating some lot of movement and texture. Her hair used to be way down here and it used to be blonde, but she's an amazing lady. I call her a trendsetter because she's always trendy, and she's not afraid of changes. There was time she was afraid actually, but for some reason she got out of it, and this lady is like on fire. She's incredible, and this is her haircut for her trip, and we're going to create some more layers. And how long are you going to be gone? A long time?
Whole year.
Oh, what? 4 years?
Yeah. No, 1 year.
Okay, I was going to say I need to take a picture of you so I can remember when you come back. Anyways, we've talked about this haircut a lot, but since it has been a blonde in the past so long, and we think that we need to get rid of these to create something more, much more healthier, and plus a lot of movement. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Much love to you. Super Mario on the go, so Saturday morning in Johns Creek, baby, and making it happen. And Miss Gabby right here, she's so excited. And I've been Gabby's hairdresser past 20 years, right? Close to 20, I'm sure at least 20.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Gabby is a sweetheart. So she's a very demanding customer. She doesn't like it, she's gonna let you know. That I love about her. She is bad to the bone and honest to the heart. Isn't that a cool one? Bad to the bone, honest to the heart. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm thinking today, guys. So, anyhow, sharing love with each and every one of you. And I take the hair straight out. And as I'm traveling around her head, her skull, head toward the facial bone structure, I'm creating a beautiful synergy haircut that follows her head shape. I don't just cut a hair, give you a head shape, follow it. And the haircut has to fit with her person's features, because otherwise a cheap hairstyle, it serves no purpose. So, just keep your head straight, please. Allora, so that's what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen, and creating this gorgeous hair, following her skull, and giving her this amazing haircut style to really complement her lifestyle and her haircut potential, her bone structure, jaw, chin, around her eyes, and everything that goes with it. So creating this amazing, easy hairstyle, wash and wear, no fuss, no fuss. So we're doing this as we speak, and thank you for watching. We love you, and we are located in Johns Creek, Georgia, ladies and gentlemen, and we love your referrals, even though you may not come here, but I know you're always thinking about me, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And look at this beautiful movement and following the face bone structure, and then complementing her below the ear to her shoulders. And as she moves, this haircut will complement her, because I don't like a haircut that's just travels from the crown, top of her head, and as they're coming down the hill, and the crown and the nape just builds up so much volume here, and then ends up on the shoulder, makes the person's neck smaller, especially with this type of haircut, okay? This is a long shag. You can even apply the same technique to the bob haircut. Just give movement, keep your length, but give your movement. You may not be my client, but that's okay. But you can always see. Check it out. It's perfect. The length is nice. you can always ask your hairdresser to do this for you. I'm not everyone's hairdresser, but I do love sharing and encouraging and motivating because that's just my goal. That's just my love for hairdressing and humanity. You can see the shape is perfectly coming together. And a lot of time you can ask, oh, I want this and that, but realistically your hairdresser has to really listen to you and know what you want. And sometimes you may have the idea, but you don't know how to execute it. So that's where I come in because I'm the master and artist. Executing is my talent. You can come with any kind of hairstyle idea. I can make that happen for you. Execute, right? Execute, not execution. English is my third or second best and probably the most favorite language in the whole universe of mankind. So that's why I love keep improving. The vocabulary is very important. Anyhow, I'm giving you some lift here. As you can see, the hair beautifully falling. Look at this, beautiful. Everything comes together. Very nice graduation, which I love because the idea is not really the idea is create a masterpiece, not so much just a plain old haircut. Everyone can do that. But realistically, knowing what you're doing, and of course, that's practice makes perfect. We're not rocket scientists as a hair designer, but like I say, executing is the most important for me. So anyhow, we are reaching our goal gradually, one section at a time. I have a very busy day today. I've been working myself past 2 weeks. Haven't had a day off, believe it or not. But my business partner, she's in Japan, so I've been by myself. She's always there for me, but anyhow, it's all working out. It's all working out. And good morning to everybody out there. Sending love, peace, prosperity, happiness, joy, friendship. Gabby, what do you want to do with your bangs? Want to keep them long?
You can trim them a little in the middle.
Just a little bit, right?
Like in the middle, yeah.
In the middle, okay.
Or you can do the whole thing where you
Gotcha.
make it flow.
Okay.
But yeah.
Because I always like to ask, because bangs, when it's cut, when it's wet, you cut it, it shifts. Mm-hmm. Especially if the person has the high forehead, and if it's curly, has so much wave here. She has a lot of curl and wave. So I like to always leave the bangs alone until the bangs are really dry, because once you cut it, you can't put it back. And trust me, Gabby is very picky, and that's probably why she has always come to me. She lived in Athens for I'm not sure how many years, but she always came here. Mm-hmm. Now she lives in, what do you live, Bucket?
Duluth.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you moved. Mm-hmm. You're everywhere. You're like a gypsy, man.
Mm-hmm.
Is your name Mario Junior?
Not yet.
Anyways, like-minded people gets to know each other. That's all there is to it, you know.
That's true.
The energy is very important.
Yeah.
Gabby's mom has been my client a decade, 20 years, right? 20 years?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think I get it from
Oh yes, ma'am. Well, your mom's Romanian, right? Where the gypsies'
yeah.
birthplace is.
It's just like she loves trying things. She's
Heck yeah. Always learn something new, ladies and gentlemen. Always learn something new. You know why? Because when you're always trying to learn something new, guess what? You don't have time to get in trouble or find things that get you in trouble.
True.
Or when you continue doing something new. So I'm right on the crown, right here, the ridge of her head. So I'm making sure that this particular section I'm cutting, and I'm trying to accomplish a lot of movement texture, because this is right there, ridge of the mountain, for instance. It's very free hair, as you can see, hair really shaping up, starting from her nape, traveling toward her below her chin and the jaw, the facial features, her nose, and you know the A-line right here, the face, you know, it's always, this is an A-line. So the hair frames the face. This is a beautiful, beautiful shag haircut. And I love doing it. And how many people are right now sleeping, waking up 2 hours late, 3 hours late, thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna go out there and get my blessings. Guess what? I wake up very early. My wife got me praying the Buddha in the morning because it was her job. She asked me to do it while she's gone. So I've been praying Buddha every morning, burning the sand and going forward. And I'm blessed I'm able to do that. Because you know why? I respect humanity and everything that a humankind follows and do. You know, as long as you don't hurt nobody, it's a beautiful thing. Whatever makes you happy, doesn't hurt you or others, it's a beautiful thing. God is good every moment of our lives. Coffee doesn't make you better, it just teases you. So I'm not a coffee guy. Shake your hair for me, please. All right. All right, so what I do is come back and dry the hair, and then I come in, check her hair, truly see where everything is falling, and I love using the Davines oil. So I do use Phyto and Davines at Mario's Hair Designers. Two of my favorite products in the whole world. I've used Phyto probably 30 years now. Started using when I was in Buckhead. And Davines is also an incredible product that I know the previous president of Phyto is the president of Davines, Anthony Mollet. Thank you, brother, for putting out beautiful products and owned by family in Parma, Italy. So I love the product. Should I put some mousse? What do you think? Love it? Looks good, right?
Yeah.
It hugs you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
looks
baby.
good.
You're going to España.
Yes.
And then you're going to go through the France, right?
Yeah.
Comment allez-vous? Bonjour. Merci beaucoup. She's happy and I'm happy. What else?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we can do mousse.
Huh?
We can do mousse.
What about, I'm just going to put a little bit volumizing spray.
Okay.
I changed my mind. You know what I'm going to do is, this is a volume active spray by Phyto guys. I love it. Love, 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 love. Used to be in a can, but now in a more of a hardcore rubber, the container, so it does not breathe, but it's an amazing product. I'm going to use this product, which I really love. It's called Relaxing Moisturizing Fluid. Check it out. What's going on, bro? What's going on? Get him to go. Get him. So this little cat is a mascot of the Salon, ladies and gentlemen. So he's doing his thing. Gabby actually owns Tito's sister, Stella.
Yeah.
They're amazing,
Part
right?
of the family.
Mm-hmm. So this is a relaxing fluid because since that we're doing a shag haircut, I'm gonna blow dry and check it. I want this product to help to get the hair smooth. That way I can check my haircut because mousse does a lot of volume, but also any kind of volumizing product sometimes, especially if you use a round brush, it kind of fools you as far as the hair length goes. So therefore I love to do it straighter and smoother. That way I can check my haircut because it's very important. And I love to use this flat paddle brush. It's incredible. I think this company called Vat Brush. They make it. And this is my favorite Turbo Power. I will be working with this company in New York, IBS show 2024, March 2nd and 4th. So I did that back in Orlando as well. And my friend Susan, thank you for making my capes. It's a Long Island capes. I love it. And my buddy, what's his name? Kevin. Thank you for doing my logo.
I kind of want it to be softer, like softened.
Yep, I will.
Yeah.
I have to try it before, remember?
Yeah.
Are you not listening what I'm saying?
I'm listening. I was telling you what I want when it's done. I know it needs it.
That's why I'm using the straightening so that I can check my part, get rid of the bulk, get a lot of movement, texture.
Yeah.
I did a haircut on a girl that colored her hair really cool, copper color. And then she was wearing that t-shirt, you know, Japanese, the Korean K-pop. You're into that too, right?
Maybe what?
K-pop?
Yeah.
K-pop?
Yeah, it's in Korea. Yeah, it was my K-pop.
So guys, you can put the product and blow dry it free hand and let it go. She reminds me of a Chanel model. Look at this. Or without Sassoon, you know, the creative force. Tim Hartley, baby. Thank you, Tim, for putting out a lot of beautiful haircut style. The maestro. You have to surround yourself with the like-minded people to be successful. You know? Whatever you put in your mind and your heart and your soul, that's what you practice. So I always try to seek good in me, to bring the best in me. Otherwise, you corrupt yourself with negative energy. That's what's going to come to you, no matter what. Freehand, you can do it too. You see.
More shaggy than I thought it would be. You said you were going to take off that much.
Huh? I haven't even taken the length the weight from it. I just shortened it up. Shake your hair for me. Remember the weight line right in this area. Feel here all heavy. Right?
Yeah.
We brought the length up a little bit. We brought the length so that it complements all the way from this the bang traveling down to around your side area and then side panel and going all the way down.
Right. But the...
Have a blessed day, guys. Ciao.